Jim Michaelescu with Top Flight Automotive. We're speaking here today with
Bowen.
Bob. Nice to meet you. So, why an AeroWagen? I mean, I love these things, but you don't see them too often.
That was the thing. I saw I did the original drawings out online and stuff, and I got a hold of Callaway, and actually it took a while from the time they decided. They told me that it actually started as the engineering.
April Fool's joke.
I'd say it's one of the first 6 that they did, the first Stingray.
First Stingray did it, really.
I picked it up here, re-signed the inside of it, serial 0016.
Oh, no kidding. You want to take a look around like, inside the hatch and whatnot?
Re-signed it.
Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah.
And did you have a chance to talk with a person with it, or?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, they brought it here
Oh, did they?
from Connecticut.
Okay.
I dropped it off up there. I was in Rhode Island.
Okay.
I dropped it off. They did the swap out.
When the drawing first came out, I myself was kind of really smitten with the idea. The fact that, it was a situation where, people weren't able to carry their guns in their sports cars, which, that, you say that nowadays, you're like, wait a second, why would I need to do that now?
That came up in Europe when these guys had their cars modified so they could go out. They had no place to put their guns in the sports cars. And that basic shape was something that they did. And that's why they called it a shooting brake, so they could put their guns in the back.
Oh, interesting.
From what I've read. So.
Okay. How was it to drive? I mean, did it feel a lot more bigger inside?
No. Actually, the back on it, it cuts down all the wind noise. I can put the windows down and not have to turn the radio up. All that wind noise disappeared.
Awesome.
I was surprised with that.
How long have you had the car?
I bought it new in
2015. So when you bought this, were you buying this on the anticipation of doing the AeroWagen conversion, or was it already you wanted? Nice, very nice. Well, look, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me today about your car.
Good talking to you.
Appreciate it.